Hello everyone, welcome back again to a new episode of Empowering Womanhood in UAE with Blush and Curls. Today's guest on my show is an amazing woman by herself. She is a food stylist, she is a food blogger, she teaches determined kids in UAE, and she is an art therapist also. Let's know more about her, her story, and what does she do, everything. Without any wait, let's welcome her. Hello, Miss Ritu, and welcome to my show. I'm so glad that you're part of my show. So tell my, viewers that everything that we need to know about you, your story, about your family, how long you've been in UAE, everything.
Thank you so much for inviting
Oh, it's my
me.
pleasure.
So positive vibes connect the positive
Correct, I
vibes.
agree
Yeah.
that one. Yes.
So my name is Ritu Chaturvedi
Okay.
and I live in Dubai more than 23 years.
Wow. Okay.
So the mother of grown-up children,
Oh, you don't look like actually. And how old are your kids, if I may ask you?
30 and 28.
Okay. Does she look like a mother of a 30 and a 20-year-old? No one could believe that.
No, because when you are happy from inside,
Correct.
I think it reflects.
Yeah, I agree that.
So our body is divided into four parts:
Yeah.
mind, body, and soul, and the healthy lifestyle.
Correct.
So if you take care of yourself,
Yeah.
I think it reflects.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, like you said, you have been here you have been with the part of UAE for last
Yeah.
20 years, right? So, what do you do in generally? Do you work or are you a homemaker? What do you do?
So I'm an art therapist
Okay.
and I teach determined kids
Okay.
and I do food styling for TV commercial
Wow.
and I write healthy recipes for
Okay.
college times.
Yeah, I have seen couple of your recipes and
Yeah.
I've tried it by myself. They are amazing, guys. She has a very beautiful Instagram page. I must tell you that. Please do follow her on Instagram, which is at Fuss Free. If I'm
Yes,
not
fuss
wrong.
free. Keep it simple, keep it fuss free.
Yeah, it is very, very beautiful looking page with lot of colors in there, lot of amazing food recipes.
Yeah.
And you will also see her very colorful every day as
Yeah.
well. Maybe that's the color reflection that you
Yes.
have, right?
Because I believe the colors are having energy
Okay. Correct,
and colors are everyone's some part.
correct.
So everyone is having their life path color.
Yeah.
So last time we discussed your life path color is
Yes,
green,
green, yeah.
and that's why today I'm wearing green.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I think it gets connected. Yeah.
Yes.
So did you like learn more about these color therapy and how did you end up yourself rather than choosing any other, a profession by choice? Why did you like choose this particular profession?
I think when you start giving up,
Mm-hmm.
then you are start receiving up. So for this one, when I share my time, my passion and my love to these kids and I'm receiving lots of blessings from the universe,
Yeah.
this is the best way. So I always tell the other people also, do what you love or love what you do.
Yeah, I agree to you on that one because we also did a small pampering session with
Yeah.
my team at one of the Determined Kids
Yeah.
Center, and that day was the most
Most-
happiest day
I
of
know.
my life.
Yes.
Because we were so connected with those kids, and
Yes.
I can't really tell. And the whole team was also very happy
Yes.
with that.
And they are teaching us that life is all about the moment and be happy and just enjoy the life. Yeah.
So, how is the working environment in UAE? Like, what you found different, especially for women? Like, I'm sure that you
Yeah.
had kids when they were young and you were still working,
Yeah.
and now you're still working. So, how is the work environment? What do you feel like? What is it all about?
I think Dubai is a great place
Yeah.
for the working woman because you have lots of facilities and this is the safest country ever.
I agree that. I agree that.
Yeah.
Because I know from since childhood I
Yes.
was born and raised here,
Yes.
and anytime you could go out, it's
Yes,
safe.
it's
people are
safe
there,
and all this thing,
So,
and
yes, yeah.
and here you will get the respect for women too much.
Correct. I agree that. So, you have been working for a long time,
Yeah.
right? So, do you think women, I mean, everyone has a different opinion about it. Like, do you think women in nowadays have to work, to support their family, or they should be just homemaker, dependent on their husband? What's your view on that? What you wanted to give out the message to women out there? How, like, you're so inspiring, there's a lot of things that we could learn from. How do you think what women should do, like, as in terms of supporting their family, how important it is?
So women are the core of a family, and family build the nation.
Yeah.
So I think women, whatever they do, they homemaker or they want to just pursue their career, they should be happy.
Correct.
Whatever you do with the happiness.
Yeah.
Happiness,
So
yeah.
anything that you guys need to follow, be happy.
Be
and,
happy.
You know, and is it important, like, you know, in today's thing, like, let's come to your point.
Yeah.
How was your contribution towards your family? Like, you were also one part, not like only depending
Yeah.
on your husband, right?
Yeah,
You were
true,
also
true.
one part. So how important does it become, like, your contribution to the family?
I always support them, motivate them, because everyone having ups and down
Correct.
time. You know, the time is like that. The life is always
Always
like the
like a
waves,
roller coaster.
roller coaster. But it's up to you how you manage.
Correct.
So every day we have two ways,
Yeah.
miserable or happy.
Yeah.
So you choose happiness. It's
Correct.
okay. It will
So,
manage.
Everything that when we talk to Ms. Ritu, is that one thing that I have learned from her after I met is that be happy.
Be happy.
You
Yes,
know,
be
choose
happy.
Happiness
Choose
over
happiness.
Any kind of things. I mean,
Yes.
it's very difficult.
Very difficult.
to apply it on every day, right?
Yeah.
But choose happiness.
Choose happiness. Yes.
So COVID-19, coronavirus, which
Yeah.
is all over the globe, and we never expected 2020
Yes, true,
to be like
true.
this, right? So how did you cope up during the COVID-19? Like, I'm sure that we all were locked down, we were in our homes.
Home, yes.
So was it like positive? I'm sure most of them, like me, I agreed that we got a lot of time with family,
Yeah.
but at the same time we had a lot of stress as well.
True.
So what did you do? Like, what was your coping up solution when during this lockdown, during this COVID times? How did you manage along with your family and everything?
Can you believe I was thinking my wish comes true
Okay.
because my life was so busy and now I got so many holidays. So I asked my son, can you pinch? Still, I'm dreaming or something. But I really enjoyed.
Okay.
I love cooking and this is the great opportunity. And I was playing my master chef every day.
Very nice. I think, I mean, if there was no lockdown and stuff, we would have reached Miss Ritu's home and
Yes.
tasted a couple of different dishes, right? So, I mean, you really enjoyed it.
I
How
enjoyed.
was the stress level? I'm sure that as a family, like, you were also one of the person for
Yeah.
contributing,
Yeah.
financially
Yes.
and support. So, how difficult was it, like, when it comes your part to play in the family?
Can you believe I was not having salary,
Okay.
but I was eating a good food
Yeah.
and I was sleeping nicely. So for a person, what you need? You
Correct.
need a good sleep and you need a good food.
Yeah.
And
So
you
this is
need a
something
air
that
to
we
breathe.
miss,
Yeah.
So this is something that we miss as well. right?
Yeah. So I was so grateful
Okay.
because I'm enjoying my great time.
The most important thing, another thing that we learned from Ms. Ritu is that be grateful. I mean, gratitude
Yeah,
is something
gratitude
that
is
we need
so
to
important.
pay every single day,
Day, true.
and be thankful for what we have.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I did Deepak Chopra's meditation,
Oh,
21
okay,
days. So
okay.
it was blessing in disguise like
Very
that.
nice,
Yeah.
very nice. Now it's the fun part of the
Okay.
show, okay? This is the rapid fire round where I
Yeah.
would be asking you a few questions and then you would just answer. You would anyway swift in that.
Okay.
So my first question is that 3 things that you love about UAE.
Safety,
Okay.
cleanliness,
Yeah.
and it's a beautiful country.
Okay. Best thing that has happened to you in your life.
When I won MasterChef by BBC Good Food in 2015.
Wow. Very nice. Congratulations on that.
Thank
I know
you.
I'm a little late for that, but it is such a good, honor to
Yeah,
get in.
yeah.
So describe yourself in 3 words.
I'm a passionate,
Okay.
I'm caring, and I smile every day.
That I agree. That we all agree. By now, I'm sure that you all agree as well. So, would you invest more on your hair or on your skin?
I think on skin.
Skin. Okay. If you would like to change one thing in your life, what it would be?
I think I need 2-inch height.
Oh, I am on the same pace of you. I know height. I don't know why is it so important.
I
Right?
know.
Don't worry, we are in the same thing. And I think shorter people are more smarter.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that taller people are
Yeah,
not, but it's
yeah,
just
but
that
yeah.
we are
Yes.
specifying ourselves. Okay. So cooking, reading, books, traveling, what makes you happy out of all of that?
Cooking.
Cooking. So if you need to spend a day without internet or mobile or socializing, what you would like prefer? What you can skip, whether it will be your mobile or your internet or your socializing, what you can skip for a day?
I think I can skip all 3
Yeah.
and I just go to the beach
Yeah.
and enjoy the beautiful view.
Okay. So
And-
you can
Yeah.
actually relax.
Yes.
Okay. Which is very tough nowadays to do. Okay. I cannot stay without dash dash dash.
Music.
Music. Okay. Your favorite pampering destination in UAE?
Blush and curls, of course. No chemicals, nothing, and it's so beautiful. And because I love colors, and I just received my color facial,
Yeah.
and it was so good. Everybody appreciating the my like a face and all
Yeah.
this thing you can see. So it's the best place.
Thank you so
Guys,
much.
come here and experience the best experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's so kind of you, Miss Ritu. The last question is describe your host in 3 words. That's me in 3 words only.
Only 3 words.
Yeah.
It's difficult. You are very vibrant, cheerful, and very great energy.
Thank you so much. I don't know if you guys agree that, but yes, I do as well. Thank you so much, Miss Ritu. I mean, it was amazing. We had a fun time talking. I'm sure that you guys enjoyed as well. So, if you have any, message to my followers, my viewers, I mean, you could talk to them.
So,
Especially
guys, I'm so happy I'm here for your show. But I will tell you one thing, just spread the good energy, and always you will receive the good energy. Be careful and be kind to yourself. Take care. Come and visit salon once in a month or in a 15 days. It will makes you charge, and you can enjoy your glowing skin, your lovely hair, all the beautiful women. You need to come here.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ritu. I hope today's show was like, more of positivity,
Yes,
laughter,
yes.
and fun.
Fun,
And
yeah.
you guys enjoyed the show. So if you have a story that need to be told out and you wanted to be a part of my show, or you have any friend, relative, or anyone's story that you need to come out, not necessarily they have to be someone who's working, they can be a homemaker,
True.
anyone. So this show is all about empowering womanhood in UAE. If you have anyone, do DM us, do message us, or tag us, and we would get in touch with you. And then your story will be on my show, the next one. So I'll see you next time with a new guest on my show with a new story. Till then, take care, goodbye, and God bless.
Women support women, don't forget.
Women support women.
Yeah.
So stay blessed, guys. Stay safe. Take care, and bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.